Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered about those tiny creatures scurrying around your house? Well, get ready to dive into the fascinating world of the house mouse. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the secrets of these pint-sized mammals that have been sharing our homes for centuries. The house mouse, scientifically known as Mus musculus, has a long and intertwined history with humans. These small rodents have been our unwelcome roommates since the dawn of agriculture, adapting to our living spaces and thriving in our midst. But how did they become such successful inhabitants of our homes? Let's start with their origins. House mice are believed to have originated in the grasslands of Central Asia. As humans began to settle and cultivate crops, these opportunistic creatures found a new niche in our grain stores and dwellings. Over time, they spread across the globe, hitching rides on ships and wagons, becoming one of the most widely distributed mammals on Earth. Now, let's take a closer look at these little critters. House mice are small, typically measuring between 3 to 4 inches in body length, with tails adding another 3 to 4 inches. They have pointed snouts, large ears, and small, beady eyes. Their fur is usually light brown or gray on top, with lighter undersides, though color variations can occur. One of the most remarkable features of house mice is their incredible adaptability. These rodents can thrive in a wide range of environments, from tropical islands to Arctic tundras, and everything in between. They're equally at home in urban high-rises and rural barns, making them true masters of survival. But what makes house mice so well suited to living alongside humans? For starters, they're excellent climbers and jumpers, able to scale vertical surfaces and squeeze through openings as small as 1/4 of an inch wide. This agility allows them to access food sources and hiding spots that would be out of reach for many other animals. Their diet is another key to their success. House mice are omnivores, meaning they can eat just about anything. While they prefer grains, seeds, and other plant matter, they won't turn their noses up at meat, insects, or even household items like soap and glue. This flexibility in diet enables them to take advantage of whatever food sources are available in their environment. Reproduction is another area where house mice excel. These prolific breeders can produce up to 10 litters per year, with each litter containing 5 to 6 pups on average. The young mice reach sexual maturity at just 6 to 8 weeks old, allowing populations to grow rapidly under favorable conditions. This reproductive strategy helps ensure the survival of the species, even in the face of high mortality rates from predators and human control efforts. Speaking of predators, house mice have developed a range of strategies to avoid becoming someone else's dinner. Their keen senses of hearing, smell, and touch help them detect danger before it's too late. They're also naturally cautious, preferring to stick close to walls and other objects that provide cover. When threatened, they can run at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, making a quick getaway. Despite their small size, house mice have surprisingly complex social structures. In the wild, they typically live in family groups consisting of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring. These groups establish territories that they defend against intruders. Within the group, mice communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including ultrasonic calls that are inaudible to human ears. Now, you might be wondering about the impact of house mice on human society. While they may seem harmless, these little rodents can cause significant problems. They're known to contaminate food supplies with their droppings and urine, potentially spreading diseases like salmonella and hantavirus. Their constant gnawing can damage structures, furniture, and electrical wiring, sometimes even leading to house fires. On the flip side, house mice have also played important roles in scientific research. Their genetic similarity to humans and their rapid breeding cycle make them valuable model organisms for studying genetics, cancer, and other diseases. Many medical breakthroughs have been made possible through experiments on laboratory mice, which are domesticated descendants of wild house mice. The relationship between humans and house mice is a complex one. While we often view them as pests, it's worth considering the remarkable adaptations that have allowed these small mammals to thrive in our world. From their origins in Asian grasslands to their current status as global inhabitants, house mice have demonstrated an extraordinary ability to adapt and survive alongside us. As we continue to expand our urban environments and alter natural habitats, it's likely that house mice will remain our constant companions. Understanding their biology and behavior can help us develop more effective and humane methods of controlling their populations, while also appreciating the resilience and ingenuity of these tiny survivors. So, the next time you spot a house mouse scurrying across your kitchen floor, take a moment to marvel at the long evolutionary journey that brought it there. These small creatures have a big story to tell about adaptation, survival, and the intricate web of relationships between humans and the animals we share our world with. Well folks, that's all for our mousy adventure today. I hope you've gained a new appreciation for these tiny tenants. Until next time, keep your eyes peeled and your cheese locked up tight. Bye for now.